Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel yet again. We're looking tonight at Plug Power stock. Now this one today is down by 5.14%. Over the past 5 days the stock is still green by 17%, but you can see before what we saw over the last day or so, stock was actually up much more, 45% or so. We're asking the question as to what's going on. We're looking at what could potentially be coming next. If you do enjoy these videos, please make sure to leave a like and subscribe. It does help me out a lot. Although I'd like you to remember, I am not a financial advisor and this is not financial advice. I also do not have a Patreon page if you want to get exclusive behind the scenes content such as stock analysis and swing trade opportunities like this one that I've published on BETR stock. Again, all of that is found down in the description. I thoroughly recommend clicking on it. It is worth a moment of your time. Now jumping straight into the video, what stands out here? And again guys, remember, this is just my opinion. I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. What stands out to me is that we are finding this one at a nice level of support that we are finding. We're finding strong levels of support at levels such as 235. If you have a look here, this is significant because 235, not only is it holding as a support very nicely here, we're also seeing the same thing happen here. 235 is a very strong level for the stock. So going forward into the next few days, we do want to see it hold on to that level. That could be a real potential for a turnaround. So 235 potentially could be a very important and interesting level. We're looking for some consolidation at these levels. If you do not see it, I think you could see the stock drop as low as 213. In and of itself, that wouldn't be the worst thing in the world, but I think a drop any below that and we do become slightly more concerned as we drop to levels, significantly down from where we are now. Now, if we do find consolidation here, you're looking for a potential push up from that. You're going to be looking to challenge levels such as 250. You're looking for levels such as 245. You're then looking for levels on that such as 260, 270 for a potential push right up to these levels at $293 and beyond. Now, my most ideal situation here, if things go well, is simply finding a bottom, like I say, around about 230, something like that, 240, finding that consolidation, eventually consolidating, maybe with a slow push up over the next couple of days, giving indicators like the RSI, for example, giving indicators on the month or 3 months, time to cool off. Now, you notice here on the 1 month chart, RSI is already cooling off significantly. We're very close to the neutral range here, which is absolutely great. This does poise us for the next potential push up with this stock, which is, of course, a very good thing. At the same time, come out to the 3 month here, what do you notice? Well, we are now cooling off quite a bit. Still very much into the we're actually coming out of the overbought range now. We're coming back down to more healthy levels, but still relatively high. But again, this could be a potential floor to watch. If you see some nice consolidation from here for that next potential push on, things are looking very strong. From there, we could be looking again to retest levels in the $3 range and above. I think we've got all of this to watch out for. I do think it is going to be very interesting to see, and I think things honestly are playing out pretty nice. So again, consolidation here would be great. And do bear in mind, guys, this stock is up huge. This stock is still up huge. I think we were going to see some red eventually. We were going to need to see some healthy consolidation. We now have seen that. Again, it's about seeing if we'll actually push on from here, and I am hoping that the answer is yes. Like I say, do still be aware of those levels to the downside, but these are the numbers that stand out to me. So thank you so much for your time. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope I'll see you again soon. Goodbye for now. If you guys are ready to get serious about trading for less than the price of a coffee every day, I've got to tell you about the new Patreon page that I have just launched. That's right guys, I have a new Patreon. I'm going to be sharing everything on here, from my personal stocks that I am watching to pre-market updates, as well as a Discord group which I have started. It's going to allow you to access similar-minded, like-minded people who are also interested in sharing their knowledge about the markets. I'm going to be sharing a lot of stuff over here guys. There's going to be a lot of exclusive content coming in the next couple of weeks, but do bear in mind, for most of the tiers, spots are limited. The Market Scout, where you'll gain access to the Discord, prices will change after 150 members. At the moment guys, I'm limited for time, so the Trader's Edge course and above, we're limiting the courses even lower, right? There's a limited amount of people who can join. At the same time, depending on the level of mentorship that you want, we have prices going all the way up from 1450 to the highest tiers over here that you can see. Again, if you're looking to take your journey to that next level, on these middle tiers, this is personally the one that I would recommend, even though it's not the most expensive. It costs less than a coffee every single day, and the amount of information that you'll get here, in my personal opinion, is absolutely worth the value. At the very least, guys, you can become a member for free. The link is down in the description, the comment section, and the bio. Just give it a look and see what you think. And of course, feel free to sign up if you're looking to take your journey even further. Thank you. Enjoy the rest of the video.